Gompa. It took us about 2 minutes, maybe 3 minutes to decide on our guest house. And I'm going to show you, I'm going to do a quick tour of the guest house. I'm in the back, but I wanted to start back here so you can see the views really quickly. We negotiated with our host that provided we eat all of our meals on site if the room would be free. Initially, I think she offered for us to pay 500 rupees, but of course we're getting the room for free because we're going to eat all of our meals. Now the added bonus for them is that the meals are usually a lot more than, let's say, in Kathmandu. For instance, here's a great example. 10 momos or order momos in Kathmandu is about 190 roughly. Depends on where you get it, but up here, though, it's probably 500. But it's okay. It evens out. They have to transport all of their food and materials all the way up here. This is not our guest house. I'm just showing you what is in the little village here. Hi!
Hi. Let's sit in the sun.
There's a little. Oh, yeah, we're going to chill right here and have tea, and I'm going to drink as much water as I need to because I haven't had my bowel movement for today. Every day, gotta have that bowel movement, especially when you're gaining in altitude. If you don't, she had a friend that actually had some medical issues the first time they attempted to do the Annapurna circuit. But okay, oh, she had 10 days no BM, no something something. All right, so check it out. Here's where we're shacked up. This is a really newer guest house. When was it opened? It's okay. All right, so first I'm going to show you the kitchen. All right, then I'm going to show you the dining hall. Then I'm going to show you our room that has an attached ensuite bath. Here's the kitchen. Namaste.
Namaste.
For YouTube.
Thank you.
Wood burning. Like she's going to cook us all the meals from that amazing wood burning fireplace. There are outlets on the property. In our room, we have an outlet. So we can charge up our electronic devices. There's Wi-Fi here, so that's a bonus. But here's the dining hall. Check that out. Oh, she also has souvenirs. So if you're looking to get some souvenirs while you're on the trek, she has a TV. This is a first. Look how nice
That's
the
a
TV
nice
is.
TV.
And you can get all your liquor, your soda. My girlfriend says pop, but I don't know.
It's pop.
It's called soda.
They have potato bread, huh? I don't think
And
we've tried
something that I
potato.
want to say, oh, they have little snacks. Oh, she's looking at the menu. Let's take a quick look. One of the things that usually blow me away is the size of the menu. I'm going to try to, you hold it up, please. So here's the menu. Oh, perfect. Like, look how many different freaking things you can freaking order. And we're so high up. I feel like we're so remote. Pizza. Okay, next one. Huh?
Soup, garlic soup, potatoes.
It's going to be a long tour because I'm
Italian
giving you a
dish,
detailed
well.
tour of what to expect
Macaroni, chow mein,
on the
momos,
Annapurna
spring
circuit.
roll. This isn't the Annapurna circuit.
I'm sorry. Whoa! when you're trekking in the Himalayas
there
in
you
Nepal.
go.
All right. Is there one more?
Of
And
course there is.
that's it. Okay. So
Yeah.
let's move on. Yes, it's going to be a really detailed room tour / guest house tour. It's really big. Oh, they've got these cushions on the chair, on this bench, so it's actually pretty warm in here. Well, of course, the sun is out, and that's our view. All right, there is a fireplace, and something that I learned from last year is, it's better to have a fireplace where they burn wood and not yak poop, even though they do, because it has a negative effect. Here's an outlet. Actually, it just works great. You can use your device that has American device, Northern, what is it, European. It works, what I'm trying to say, it works for everything. Okay, blah, blah, blah. Let's go into our room. We have a shared bath, but we decide to go with the room. Hey, we have a window, one window, and here's our room. Check this out. Look at these blankets. Oh, look at that. Oh my gosh. It's like we're at the freaking Westin, but we're not. We just arrived, got everything laid out. It's my bed over there. I gotta take out my sleeping bag. There we go. And then this is the view from our window. Like, I love that the entire structure, the room is mostly wood. And so later tonight, the temperature is definitely going to drop, but we're going to be warmer than if we were inside of a guest house, staying at a guest house where it was cement built, right? It's everything we need. Everything we need. There's a light. You saw the light switch. There's a light. And last but not least, let's go inside. Oh, my girlfriend's got her bag right there. Last but not least would be, this is why we're staying here, among other reasons, has a Western toilet. And views. Epic views. Pretty basic, but it's everything you need. As far as shower, there's not a shower. It's not a shower in the bathroom. They do offer hot bucket showers. So we're gonna go with that and take a shower maybe in an hour or two. I like it here. All the information you're gonna need about this particular spot is going to be inside the description. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Hit me up in the comments. Let me know what you think. Would you stay here? Do you plan on doing a trek in the Himalayas soon? Once again, we're doing the boom. Oh, I was gonna say the Gosainkunda trek. Okay, peace, one love, and safe travels. Get out and see the world. All right, that's all for now.